Hey everyone, this is Mayu, and welcome to Fun Friday! Every Friday, I try to do something new, fun, or challenging. Really appreciate all your comments and likes in my last video. Today I'll be doing a cozy drawing tutorial for winter. If you like this type of tutorial, like this video and comment for more. I hope this helps. Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to draw 2 winter outfits step by step. And because this is just a tutorial on drawing outfits and not bodies, I have my body template that I did from before. If you want to know how to draw different types of bodies, you can see my other tutorials on my channel. Okay, so first, let's start with something that has a scarf and it has a nice, big, toasty, warm coat. So I want to begin around the neck here and draw kind of like a V letter around the neck. I want to add some volume around the sides and repeat the V. And I want to layer this soft looking scarf. So cool. It's so toasty. So let's draw another layer, much bigger one on the bottom. And it's okay if it covers a little bit of the shoulders. Okay, so we have these 2 layers, soft looking V's. Now I want to draw one part of the scarf coming down like that. And for some little details and texture, let's draw these marks. In the scarf. For the end of the scarf, I'm drawing these little furry lines, so it looks really warm and cozy. Okay, once we have that, I want to draw the coat. So let's draw a point, and I want to come down. And because the coat is going to be really big and not so form-fitting, I'm not going to draw the line fitting along the body as much. I'll just use the body template as a very rough guide for how I'm going to draw the coat. At the same time, I don't want the coat to look like a rectangle, so I do want to have a little bit of what's happening underneath the fabric. Okay, so I have this line on this side, and then I want to draw another line coming down like that. For the shoulder, I want to come down, and then another line for the other arm coming down. And I think it'll be nice to have the ends of the sleeves fluffy like this. So it has this nice fluffy trim on the bottom. And as for the coat itself, let's go into the middle line. And let's draw two curves, followed by more of the fluffy trim. So it could be those fluffy white threads at the end of coats that I sometimes see. Okay, so we have this, and now that we have the basic part of the coat done, I'm going to draw details inside to make it look more like an actual coat, starting with these small circles for the buttons. And I think for fun, I'm going to try these big pockets. Maybe with a button for each. I think that's kind of cute. Okay, so we have this nice looking coat, and maybe she's wearing just slim fitting jeans for the legs. Okay, so there is one winter outfit. Now for the second one, I want to try a little bit different of a variant. So let's draw something around the neck as a V. But this time, the scarf is going to be a little bit different. Like that. And maybe there's a knot, followed by a loose looking end of the scarf right here. Let's draw some little fold lines along with the other layer in the scarf. Okay, this time I want to design a nice winter coat that is form-fitting. So draw the line on either side like an hourglass shape. In the middle, which is the waist area, I'm going to cut across, go down and cut across one more time so it forms like a belt. Draw a little circle inside and then go out towards the hips like that. And then draw a curve going across, followed by a line coming down and another line. Let's draw some smaller buttons this time. And onto the shoulders. This time I want to draw a button on top of the shoulder, followed by the flap right here. So it kind of looks like a military style jacket. So we have that and that. Let's go down and then go down here into the arms. And then for the end, I'll draw a normal looking ending for the sleeves. And now for the bottom part of the outfit, let's draw shorts. Shorts in winter. How's that gonna work? I did see some outfits that are kind of cute, which I kind of like. They did have shorts, so let's draw just the shorts for now, and then we'll make it more winter appropriate. So I have the cuff coming around. Okay, so once we have these shorts with the cuffs, let's draw the leg, so keep extending the lines. And then maybe she's wearing these really cozy looking tights or leggings with these lines inside. So it could be wool, I think. I think that looks cozy. And I think it's a pretty cool outfit to be wearing tights, and then you have the shorts on top with a nice winter coat. Okay, so that is outfit number 2. So, which outfit is your favorite? Let me know in the comments, and thanks for watching. See you next week on another video on Fun Friday!